welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. All right, so my name is Kanella Ciraco and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am a Canadian artist originally from Toronto, Canada. I thought I'd mention that because I know I have a bunch of new viewers every so often and a lot of you don't know where I'm from. So I am from Canada, born and raised in Toronto, Ontario, but now I just live outside of Toronto and I'm going to be moving. I'm actually moving right now, probably as you're watching this video. So I will be residing in London, Ontario as of January. All right. So tonight's video is going to, look, I'm peeling resin off my table as I do my video. So today's video is going to be on a 12 by 16 inch canvas. A couple of videos back, I had done a base color using the Greyish blue by Amsterdam. All right, so today's base, and of course you all know this is part of my series all about that base, and I really liked how the painting on this one turned out. So I wanted to kind of reverse the colors. I wanted to do a base of titanium. Let's see, titanium buff light. Okay, so that is going to be my color. And you can see it is fully opaque. See that filled in black square? That means it is a fully opaque paint. All right, so the colors I'm going to use, again, kind of pulled off Pinterest. I'm going to start with, down here, Blue Black Indigo by Atelier. Then I'm going to use Pearl Blue by Holbein. I have all the pearl, pearl violet, pearl blue, pearl red, green, and yellow by Amsterdam, but I have a pearl blue by Holbein, and I've never actually used it. So I'm going to use it today. So pearl blue by Holbein. Then I'm going to use the Greyish blue by Amsterdam. Then I have Iridescent Silver by Pebeo, and then topping it off, Sky Blue Light by Amsterdam. Now, do you notice I don't have an Arteza paint in here? I just realized that. That's okay. So I'm going to use the titanium buff. There's my base. So I have a metallic and a metallic, okay? So iridescent and a shimmer. So I have two there. So that should be good. And there's my base. And of course, as you know it, I'm going to be using the flower hair dryer. All right. So I'll put these back super quick in the order that I'm going to pour them in. And I am carefully going to flood my canvas and I'll be right back. Okay, everybody, I'm ready to go. I'm really loving this color. It's not white, but it's close to white, but it's got like such a pretty ivory color look to it, and I really like it. So it'll be interesting to see how these colors blow out. So let's start with the Blue Black Indigo, and I think I want to do the same composition I did with, you know what? I was wrong earlier. It wasn't this base that I had done before. It was the light blue base painting. It was that one, as I'm just looking at it on the table as it's dry. It was the light blue base, and I had used this color as one of the, blowout colors, and I liked that a lot. That's what it was, not this one. It was the light blue. Okay, so let's do that. So what I was saying was I want to do the same composition. So I'm going to do kind of like an L shape and then maybe let's do like a crescent, I guess. I don't know. We'll see. I'm running out of composition ideas. So it's going to end up being some of the same stuff over and over again because 22 paintings, there's only so many compositions you can do, right? What if I just did... Well, first of all, how about I open my lid more? There we go. Let some of the blue out. Oh my God, what am I doing? Oh my gosh, sorry. All right, Next color, it's kind of like a, I don't know, a really half U shape there. I'm not even really sure what's going on with that. Let's do the pearl blue. All right. Okay, grayish. I did show you, yes, I did. I'm losing it. I was gonna say, did I even show you the colors? Yes, grayish blue. I really like this base color. It's so pretty. All right, iridescent silver. I think this dark blue is gonna really show a lot, even though it's at the bottom, but it's Atelier, so it's very dominant. And topping it off, the sky blue light. All right, well, there's an interesting design for you there. How I'm gonna blow it out, we'll see. Let's pop the bubbles. All right, let's see what comes about. I know you guys laugh when I say that, my American friends. Okay, so I think I'm gonna start here and go into here, I think. I don't know. I don't really know what I'm doing at this point because I don't know really where to start. So let's just figure it out. Oh my goodness. Wow. All right, so wow. I really like this. I love this. I wish there was some more of the blue black over here. I kind of lost it a little bit. Now, here's what I'm thinking now. So I've managed to push all this over the edge, and I kind of want to do it over here as well. But there's, again, no dark blue here, so I'm going to add some. I'm going to, right here, and I'm going to just blow it out. Oh, I love that so much better. Wow, it really added some nice color into this corner, and I like that there's the little negative space here. Made it a little bigger. Same with over here. I kind of like the negative space. Now over here, it's right at the cusp, right at the corner, and I kind of don't like that. So what I can do is I could blow it all over, which I kind of don't want to do, or I add some of this base color and just kind of push it. Maybe I can try and push it. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe not. Over it goes. Well, you got to try, right? All right. So, wow. Oh, did this just appear as I've been talking? I'm not really paying attention. Wait till you see the close-up. Seriously. I don't think I'm going to touch any of this. I love this a lot. I love that a lot, and I'm not touching any of that. So what I am going to do is I am going to touch up my edges. That's looking really pretty now. I like it. I love it. It's so pretty. I really like it. So I am going to fix up my edges. There's a little doggy hair floating around. All right, I just pushed it away. I'm gonna fix up my edges and I'll bring you guys in for a close-up. Be right back. All right, everybody. So I've already gone ahead. As you can see, I've already scraped my drips. Now, I am really loving this piece a lot. I think there are so many possibilities that you could do with this titanium buff light. Purples would be beautiful. Pinks would be beautiful. Magentas, you know, crimson. Oh my gosh, the possibilities are endless with this color, but I'm really digging the blue. I really, really love the blue. And I love that I did that corner there in the dark blue. I think it needed it. Look how gorgeous this is. The blues with this cream color is just stunning. I love it. I absolutely love it. Now, I wish there was a little more dark blue here, but it's still, I'm still really, really loving it. So there it is with the lights on, and I'm gonna turn the lights off. We'll check it out with the flash. All right, so the flash is on, and let's see. Yeah, look at that. It just glows. So that is obviously from Pebeo, the iridescent silver, but also the Holbein. Now, as I mentioned, I haven't used the Holbein, the Pearl Blue by Holbein before, so it'll be very interesting to see how the Holbein is going to dry and how it's going to shimmer. Really excited to see how this dries. Oh, I love it. Look at that. I love it. I love this color. So there you have it, everyone. I would love to know what you guys think about this one in the comments below. I'm really, did I mention how much I really, really like this piece? I'm loving this piece. If anyone is interested in this piece, it's a 12 by 16 inch canvas. If you are interested in purchasing this piece, you can email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com. There's a lot of information in the description below the video, so check that out. And that is it. Look at that. It's so pretty. All right, so if you are a new watcher and you are not subscribed to my channel, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. That way you're notified every time I post a new video. So until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.